And welcome to PM Weather, ladies and gentlemen. I'm student meteorologist Alex Herbst here with your forecast for central New Hampshire and all of the Granite State. Well, it was unseasonably warm and very sunny out today here across the Plymouth State campus. Temperatures got up into the mid-80s during the day today here in the Granite State. Over 20 degrees above our normals here in Plymouth as it got to 83 degrees. 63 is our normal for this time of year. Low temperatures last night were also well above normal as we saw a warm front come through ahead of this next system that will be bringing us some rain in the next 24 hours. Our sunset tonight, 7:53 p.m. Full moon tonight, so it'll still stay relatively bright outside with that full moon in place. 5:35 a.m. sunrise tomorrow morning. Our current conditions as of 5 p.m. do show 83 degrees as your temperature with a 43-degree dew point. Winds are out of the west-southwest at 15 miles an hour, so that warm air is being funneled in to the Granite State from the west-southwest. And as we look at the temperatures around New Hampshire, you can see 84 degrees to the south in Manchester, 80 degrees in Portsmouth. The entire state covered at 80-degree temperatures with the exception of Mount Washington at 48. As we move further south, we see 79 degrees in Boston, 79 over in Providence. This is with that onshore flow that is coming in to parts of New England. We also see 71 degrees up to the north in Portland as that easterly wind has been helping to keep those temperatures down along the coastline. Nationwide, those temperatures are definitely warm here across the eastern half of the country. 81 degrees in Charlotte, 83 degrees back in Memphis. But the Intermountain West is where the cold is right now. It's 58 degrees in Denver and also 61 degrees back in Santa Fe, New Mexico. So we're seeing some rain showers over that region, which is why those temperatures are being held down right now. But that rain that is currently over them is going to continue to slowly move its way across the country. It's going to be a very slow-moving system in the next 48 hours. So we look at our satellite and radar here in New Hampshire. We see some clouds over parts of Vermont and parts of western New York. Those clouds are out ahead of some rain that is currently building right along the border of New York and Quebec and Ontario, Canada. So that rain is coming into our region in the next 24 hours. We're going to see some rain showers overnight tonight, especially for the northern and southern parts of the state, and also parts of southern New England could see some of that rain in the next 24 hours as a cold front will be pushing through the area and helping to keep those temperatures from getting into the 80s throughout the rest of the week, but we could get right near 80 degrees by the late end of this week, so stay tuned for that. As we move further out to the west, we can see more of that rain over Nebraska and Iowa, which is out ahead of all these showers that are associated with the next system that will move its way to the east, but it'll be very slow moving. As we look on our surface map, we see that system that is coming into our area in the next 24 hours, that rain that is going to move its way in. It starts to move over the next 24 hours and will be coming through New Hampshire overnight tonight and into early tomorrow, but should be clearing out by no later than noontime for us here in New England. Further to the west, we can see the rain over parts of the southern Great Lakes, and that system is really not going to be moving all that fast. As you see to our west, it will just slowly be building in as those scattered rain showers and thunderstorms continue to build over the Great Plains. Our model forecast shows, well, we see that rain and then it's gone quickly on Tuesday. By around 6 in the morning, we'll be seeing that rain already starting to pull out of the Granite State. We will see some more showers that start to pop up here around noon in parts of southern New England as that cold front does pull through, and then temperatures will be warming up, skies begin to clear out, and it looks to be a wonderful rest of the week here in New Hampshire. Our temperatures overnight tonight drop down into the 50s, so our highs from the end of last week look to be our lows for overnight tonight. Temperatures will then rise back up into the low 70s likely tomorrow before they drop off into the low 40s to maybe upper 30s. So for tonight, we're looking at a low of 54 degrees, definitely not a very low low. With a chance of showers, I would call it about a 30 to 40% chance before midnight. Higher chances will be likely after midnight, between 3 and 5 a.m. Winds will be out of the southwest at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tomorrow, we'll be looking at 73 degrees, where it will be cloudy early, but then sun will start to break in. We could see a few more showers in the early morning hours between, say, 7 and 9 a.m. here in the Granite State, especially for those to the north in Coos County and to the south right around Concord. Winds will be out of the northwest at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for tomorrow night, we'll be looking at temperatures at around 39 degrees, so getting back to a more seasonable low with mostly clear skies. Winds will be light and variable. And our extended forecast shows a delightful week here on the PSU campus and all across the Granite State as temperatures will continue to stay up right around 70 to almost near 80 by the end of this week. We could see a stray shower by Saturday though. And with that, this concludes my final broadcast for you here on PM Weather. I would like to thank all of you for tuning in and being a part of this show for the past year. With so much help from our Plymouth State meteorology faculty and staff and all the support of the students here on campus, it has been a great year working with all of you to be able to provide you the forecast that you need to go about your daily lives. So I thank you, and with this, for the final time, thank you for watching PM Weather. I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst.